at this old thing. Just found at the recycling yard. It's got the original key with it. Not even sure what it is. I want to say it's an old Honda, but dual carburetor. Dual carbs on this. Really not sure what it is. If anybody knows, leave a comment. Ah, it is a Honda. Last time it was registered was 1975. Now it's sitting here at the recycling yard. It's pretty much intact. It's a pretty nice bike. It's locked up. 12,863 miles. It looks like, I think, one of those, it's called like a Honda Dream. Be a nice one to restore though.